Let us talk about the story of a man in Kenya. This is the story of Elijah, entitled Hall of Blessings. The Mwata Adventist School for Deaf Children in Kenya received a great blessing through the construction of a new multipurpose hall with a modern kitchen and dining area. This project was made possible through the offerings of church members during the 13th Sabbath Offering in 2023. Before the new hall was built, food was cooked only in a temporary kitchen made of iron sheets, and the children ate outside in the field. The funds also helped open a new dormitory for boys and girls. The school has 73 students ranging from 4 to 18 years old. Construction began in late 2024 under the supervision of Elijah, a 36-year-old Seventh-day Adventist foreman. Every morning, he prayed with the 30 to 40 construction workers. Most of the workers were not Adventists. In his prayer, he asked God for strength, good health, and protection for everyone working there. According to Elijah, God truly answered their prayers during the 3 months of construction. No accidents or injuries occurred, no materials were stolen, and no workers came to work drunk. Construction sites usually experience problems with theft and alcohol drinking, but this did not happen in this project. On the first day, some workers arrived drunk, but Elijah told them they could not work there if they were drunk. When they returned the next day, they were already sober. As time passed, the workers themselves encouraged one another to avoid drinking so they could continue working. Many of them said they were trying their best to stop drinking even though it was difficult for them. Elijah was happy because of the great impact of the project, not only on the school but also on the community. The love and generosity of the church members touched not only the deaf children studying there, but also the workers who became part of the project. The 13th Sabbath Offering this quarter will help support the project of the Marisha Advent Community Nursery School to build new classrooms near Nairobi in the country of Kenya. Thank you very much for planning a generous offering.